All right, now. You hear me say it, I don't want to hear the song. And of course, you know the first thing that they have on trending topics this morning is the Shiggy challenge. I saw it name?
Yeah,
Shiggy.
Shiggy.
Everybody know this song, right? So on the 29th of June, Drake dropped his new album, Scorpio. Yes, for there. Social media comedian Shiggy posted an Instagram video dancing to the album track In My Feelings. You know the song. Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? You know yeah. He dubbed the dance hashtag Do the Shiggy, and it became the internet's latest dance challenge craze. Must say everybody I do it. Everybody. So we have some videos of that so you can see some of the craziest ones that have been going around. Take a look.
There's no way this is legal.
Got me in my feelings.
How we gonna get into there?
Gotta
We open the door on the bridge.
Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you, and I need you. And I'm down for you always, KB. Do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you, and I need you. And I'm down for you always. Look, the new me is really still the real me. I swear you got
Is your what?
I'm a twin.
What you said a while
I'm
ago?
a twin. Will Smith, I'm a twin.
Will Smith.
Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you, and I need you. And I'm down for you always. Do you love me? Are you riding? Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you, and I need you. And I'm down for you always, KB. Do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave. Gotta be real with it. Yeah. Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you, and I need you. And I'm down for you always, KB. Do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you, and I need you. And I'm down for you always. Look, the new me is really still the real me. I swear you gotta feel me before they try and kill me. They gotta move. She got me in my feelings. Gotta be real with it. Yeah. Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you, and I need you. And I'm down for you always, KB. Do you love me?
I think that was on the highway.
Yo, yeah, I was tempted to do one, you know.
So why
Tempted.
never do it?
So you're mad?
You shouldn't do it. Is it true me can't dance? No, Sierra, don't do those things. Those things are for people who cannot dance. You are boss. You know if you do that, you'll put us to shame.
Well, my twin win it still. Will Smith.
Will Smith is a twin. And the things that because I have cock off ears, all unrelated.
Look at me.
You,
Look
Neville,
at
and
me.
Will.
Look at me
Put up
good.
a side
Extra
by
talk to
side
you.
of Extel and Will Smith.
Look at me
You
good.
don't look at
Extra talk to you. Will Smith. No, that not trending topics is beyond me.
Because it's old.
Oh my goodness.
Look, Papa good.
Look for me good. Excellent.
You want your meme.
Okay.
All right, next up.
There are a lot of thrills, chills, laughs, cries, and witty moments to be had from all the summer movies 2018 has had to offer. The newest releases are Hotel Transylvania, Summer Vacation in its third installment of the animated series Dracula. Takes his family on a vacation cruise where he falls in love with the ship's captain, much to his daughter Mavis, who is Selena Gomez, much to her dismay.
Oh, we're going to look at it. It's named Monster Cruise, right?
A Monster Cruise it name?
Yeah, I think so. Hotel Transylvania, Monster Cruise.
I can't tell you last watch a movie.
No, I want to meet someone.
Understood. You want to eat dim sum.
Don't you get it? I want to go on a date. I'm lonely.
I understand. You want baloney.
Too many eyes. Too few eyes. Not into tentacles.
Dad,
No, Mavis!
you're stressed out from working too hard. You need a vacation from running everyone else's vacation. And I know just how to fix it.
Mavis, where are we going? A cruise?
Surprise!
Oh, no.
Dad!
Oh my gosh. Stop trying to wipe off my ashes. You spit. You're so gross. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna get lotion. Stop that.
And there's also Skyscraper.
Ooh, that's the one with the rock?
shots.
Ooh, let's see.
Another one of my family. Dwayne, you know.
You need to stop. You're not related to him. His
I'm a-
muscles
I'm a
are
cousin.
much bigger.
I'm a cousin.
FBI, show me your hands!
You okay?
Yeah, I'm good. Just a little nervous.
Wow, you look very handsome.
I just don't want to screw it up, you know?
You have been preparing for this meeting for 6 months. You've got this.
Let me ask you guys a question. Daddy loves who?
Me.
Daddy loves who?
Me! Me!
Exactly. Daddy's gonna go make that bacon.
Gross.
Mr. Sawyer.
Thank you. Oh my goodness. Yes, because you shouldn't be lotioning your foot right now. I don't understand you. You're so touchy. Oh my goodness. Well, next up on the trending topics, Reggae Sumfest has become the most watched reggae and dancehall festival in the world. It is, they say, the greatest show on earth. And this year, it was extended to 8 full days. Tonight being the final night. Enough niceness is going on down there. For those of you who were there and are going back there.
And those of us who want to be there and can't be there.
But it's gonna be awesome. Spice last night. Shell. Let me tell you, the lady Shell. The lady come on last night into a Black Panther outfit. I mean, fully Lupita Nyong'o out, you know. When I tell you such a have a chest plate
and the next one.
cape and...
If them have another Black Panther, they put Spice in it. Yeah, man, put her in it.
As what?
Yeah, put her in it.
As what? You...
She can lead a
What is
village.
she gonna do?
She can lead a village.
Well, there you go.
She lead
A
in
lot
dancehall
of
village.
awesome performers last night, and I'm sure tonight is gonna be awesome too because them have the great berries
Yeah.
tonight, and you know.
I enjoyed Sasko performance last night too.
Yeah, he was good.
Yeah,
He
man,
was
enjoy
very, very
Sasko.
good. And make sure you stream it if you want to check it out. It's always there. So enjoy yourself tonight. You coming?
I have
Are you
plans.
going? Oh, excuse me. Sorry. You should have
Plans.
baxed me.
Shower?
You should have baxed me. Don't you dare.
Yeah, some more lotion.
We're gonna go for a break.
We'll be right back.